Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine from wherever you are in the world. On my side I am doing fine. I'm going on with life in the village, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, I'm the countryside jewel. I do village lifestyle in Kenya, Africa, in a place called Embu County, in one of the villages in Embu County. That is where I live. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, comment if you have a comment, and press the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a video. And guys, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe and help me reach 1k subscribers. And guys, it is heavily raining. I wish I can show you outside. It is raining and it's around 4 p.m. and I wanted to do something outside. Then it started raining, and the rain came from nowhere. Clouds just formed and it started raining, so I wanted to do something outside. You know, I've been telling you guys I harvest the arrowroots, and I've never harvested them, so I wanted to harvest just 3 of them, the ones that I can see they are big enough for harvesting. And there will be a sample of if the arrowroots are ready for consumption. I wanted to harvest them so tomorrow I can cook some breakfast. Then the leaves, I wanted to pluck the leaves to cook some mukimo. I told you mukimo is a traditional food in Kenya. It's a mixture of bananas, some potatoes, and the leaves. You blend the leaves, then you can add some cereal like maize, or some beans, or anything that you want to add in the food, you can add it. It is heavily rainy, guys, and I'll check if the rains are going to stop. Then I'll go ahead and harvest something and check on the garden. You know, guys, I've been resting for one day. You know, guys, every work is tiresome, so I've been taking a break of one day and 1 to 2 days. I decided to take a break and at least rest. And today is the day that I feel relaxed and I am ready for the video, guys. I'm ready for you. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. Tell a friend about my channel and my videos. And guys, you'll be helping my channel to grow. And guys, please, after watching the video, like. And if you have not subscribed, a percentage of you guys have not subscribed, guys. I'm seeing you guys. Please subscribe, guys. subscribe, guys. So guys, let us check on what will happen. Then we are going to go ahead and harvest. Let me see if I can stand at the porch and show you guys how it is raining. I've done a small clip of how the clouds started forming in the morning, and now the rains have started. So guys, let me go outside and check if I can give you a good view of the rains. And this is the view from here. I'm in my daughter's room. You can see. And guys, I've not managed to give you a good clip of how the rains were raining. They were raining heavily. Even the porch, some splashes of rain were here. I've just wiped right now. You know, the rains were raining accompanied by the wind, so it was not easy for me. You know, guys, I'm also protecting my phone from being rained on. But now the rains have stopped. It is just drizzling, very small rain. It has rained like an hour from 4, and now it's almost 5 p.m. and it's the time that the heavy rains have stopped. And I have some chores here and there which I wanted to do in the evening, and the rains distracted me. But I'll see what I'll manage to do. Then the rest, I'll know how I'll organize myself. So guys, how have you been? For me, I've been good. And look at this, guys. When it rains, some mud splashes from the here up the where the tiles are. So it's something which I'm used to. So after it rains, I just wipe around there because there is nothing except wiping. You know, I can't stop the rains from raining because at least now God has blessed us with some rain. And let me check on what I can do. I wanted to cut some banana. I'm protecting the phone. There is a banana around here. This one. Wanted to harvest it and use it to cook supper. I have not decided well what I really want to cook, if it is matoke or mukimo. There is another one right here, and there is one inside there. And with this one also, can harvest them at the backyard. The ones at the backyard, I've been using them while they are at the tree. I've not harvested them yet. I just pluck if I want to cook something and then leave them there. And you can see the impact of the rains, guys. The peas they have bent, even some maize. Oh, and guys, look how big my maize are. Very soon we are going to harvest some maize. Woo, guys. There is a tree there. My neighbor's tree has just broke. Oh my God. And that is the place where I've planted the potatoes. So let me go and check what is happening in that area. You can see this maize here. It is because of the rains were raining accompanied by the wind. So the wind have caused the maize to bend. So trying to see if they can stand up again. So guys, let me check on what has happened there. See guys, what the rains have caused. The maize are bending, and this is what has happened. Yeah. It is a tree from my neighbor's side, so I don't know if I'll slash it or I'll have to call the neighbor first and inform them that their tree has broken because of the rains. Then they'll know what to do with the tree. And that is the area with the potatoes, but it has not damaged the potatoes, just a few maize. Naturally, the tree had grown while it was bending, so I think the winds were so strong, so it had to bend. Then the final result is heat breaking down. And guys, there is something here which I really don't know what to do with it. So guys, I told you this is the area where I placed the bananas which I uprooted from the backyard, and some cassavas which were there. I really wanted the place to be clear, so they have started growing while they are there. And normally I just you can see guys, they have started growing, and I think they don't know that they are not necessary. I really don't want them to grow. I was just placing them there for them to decompose, then I'll throw the waste inside the garden uh, so that the soil can be more and more fertile. And now they have started growing. I'll, I'll just let them be. Guys, let me give you a quick view of the garden after the heavy rains, how the garden looks. And it is still drizzly, but at least now the sky is a bit clear, not like how it looked like when the rains were starting. And the sun sets on this side in my village. That is where the sun sets from. And guys, please, you can see I'm doing the video while it is raining. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. This is the look of the garden after the heavy rains. This is the area with the tomatoes. And I think the tomatoes need some few sticks to support them, because they have grown big and they need some support. You know, for the tomatoes, they'll also always need some support when they are growing. And guys, this is the area with the potatoes where the tree has fallen down, and that is the place we throw the waste. Right now I can't throw the waste there. And some maize are bending. This is the area with some few cabbages which are growing, and that is the area with the spinach. And look at our lemon grass guys, growing big and big every day. And some cowpeas guys. And there are some peas. This is a sugar cane over there. And I have some cassavas all around the garden. And this is the area with the kales, the sukuma wiki. You can see how some maize are bending. I'll have some work of making them to stand upright. And some onions, another variety of the kales, which we call it here in Kenya sukuma matumbo. This is a pumpkin. It's growing at a very high rate. And some other onions, spring onions, some peas, my terere guys. I told you I threw some seeds here. I don't know if they are going to grow. We have another pumpkin and a cassava. Planted a lot of pumpkins around the garden. That is the look. We are going to know what we are going to do with the tree, as I've told you guys. And all of that area is filled with maize. And look how guys muddy our place looks like after it rains. But we are managing. This is the view of our maize. They are growing big and big every day. And the peas, for the peas, I am sure that very soon I'm going to harvest some, because look how they look guys. Call them zoho in my local language. And this is an area with some banana plantations. They are in 3 lines. And I also have some bananas all around the home. And under there we have some another type of, and look at the view of the sun. I've told you it's around 5 p.m. That is the view. Guys, in the village we don't worry about the damages, because I know tomorrow in the morning, I'll have a solution for the tree. So I told you I'll have to inform the neighbor about the tree. Then we are going to, from there we are going to know what we are going to do with the tree. Either they come on my side and slice the branches, or if they allow me, I can slice them and store where I store my firewood, and I'll be very very happy. I told you guys I love cooking with fire because in the village it is much easier and faster, especially when you are boiling the cereal. So I love boiling them with firewood, because you're in the village and no one will ask you where are you producing very very huge smoke, so no one cares. So let us harvest this banana over here, and then we are going to check on the arrowroot. And this is the situation. Water is all over, all around, and I love this view of the sun after it rains. I really love the view. It looks very very good. And guys, one of you told me that this heart can be cooked, but for me, I don't know how it is cooked unless I watch a video on how it is cooked. So I just normally throw it and then harvest the banana. This one is very very high. I'll try to bend the banana. And I told you guys, after you harvest a banana, uh, the plant that you harvested, the banana, it's usually useless. So for me later, I'll come and cut the plant. This is how it looks like, this one. So for me later, I'll come and cut the plant. It is always very useless. And my legs are very muddy. It is still green. So don't mind about the mud. So guys, I want to check on some two arrowroots. You can see how the leaves have grown so big. So we are going to check on this one. And first I'm going to pluck the leaves. They cook a very good mokimo. They are so big right now. Don't worry, I'll wash them before cooking. See, they are so big. So we're going to check on that one. then it will show us if the other ones are ready, because I don't want a situation where I'll harvest then I find that they are not ready. It will be a very big loss for me, and you know guys how I struggle to make that the garden looks good. And there is a pumpkin here. I never planted it. I think they are the seeds which were falling when I was planting, so I don't want to tamper with it. And at least now the soil is soft. And guys, we have an arrowroot here. So happy. Guys, one thing about the arrowroots, they usually prune like this one. This one I never planted it. I think it has come out of from this one. Yeah, so that's why I'm harvesting very carefully. I don't want to tamper with this one. I don't want to tamper with this one. I'm being very careful. And guys, we have an arrowroot here. Let me wash it so you can see it clearly, and then I'll just slice here, then we plant this one. Oh my god, I'm very happy. These are the roots. And now we have breakfast for tomorrow. This is the outcome of my work. I planted them back in November after relocating, November 2024. This is the outcome. So I'm going to slice here. Let me slice. So it looks like so happy. So I can go and harvest the second one, and then the rest I'll harvest one day at a time. that I have the confidence that they are ready, let me harvest the second one. I'll just harvest two, they are enough for me for breakfast. Then the rest will be harvesting them one day at a time. Let me plug the leaves. And today the soil is very soft, so it is favoring me in terms of harvesting compared to if it had not rained. It will be hard for me to harvest. Their roots are very, very sticky. Is how it looks like. So this one is the second one. Let me replant the arrowroot. Just the that's why I've just uprooted them. Because it is raining, I think it will be easier for them to grow again. It is still drizzling, so I want to support this maize with some soil because I've told you guys that the rains have been accompanied by the wind, and so some maize have bent down, but they are still strong. They just need some support. So I'm going to use some soil to support them so that they don't get damaged. Like for this one, you can see the roots are still on the ground. It is just some little bendy because of the wind. And if I leave them like that, tomorrow it will be hard for me to support them. this one was very weak. For the ones which are under the tree that I've told you that was broken, so I can't support them right now. I'll have to support them tomorrow because the tree is very big and it is in the evening. Like now it's around 5:30 p.m. It's almost at night, so I can't manage to slice the tree even before the know-how of the owner. So I'll support them tomorrow. Guys, let me wash my hands and my legs. I never thought it was the farm had a lot of mud. That's why I never wore my gumboots. But just going to wash the mud off. Then I'll go inside and take a shower. And guys, this is how we manage village life. We find joy in everything. Like for me, I've harvested when it is raining, and I just find joy in the simplest things in the village because life is very, very simple. And if you get used to the life, there will nothing to stress you up. Like I can't enter inside when my legs are very, very muddy. For the shoes, I'll just wash them in the morning because I want to go inside and prepare supper. You can see how my jacket has a lot of mud. You guys, but one good thing about the soil around here, as long as you soak the cloth in the morning, you'll always find that the washing the cloth is very easy as long as you soak the cloth. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe guys. Please subscribe, like the video after watching, press the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a video. And then guys, if you have a comment, you can comment down below and share and subscribe guys. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in another video. Bye bye guys for today.